You can see that the struggles that we've had here with the zipper doors. Anyone who's used them know that they can be a continual maintenance problem. We were replacing quite a lot of zippers. Our ICRA officer here asked us to try some new technology, Reusable. Now, as you can see, it allows you to walk through there with objects in your hands, materials, push a cart through there. As soon as you go through, that door clasps behind you. It solves that problem that we've always had, making sure that the person who went through last closed that zipper. It also solves the problem of having a broken zipper. We've had these in place now for several weeks. We haven't had to replace them. We haven't had to touch them up or do any work to them. But all in all, it's a fantastic product. I think across the board, it's what we're moving towards. The hospital was really pleased to see someone's actually employed this, had success with it, as they consider maybe making this a standard.